Welcome to my channel. And here we are going to be looking at the 2023 Neco marking guide for paper 1, section B, on building drawing, and we are focusing on that of the floor plan. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this is for you to know what you need to put in your drawing so that you can obtain the possible maximum marks. So very, very important. So if you're able to follow, do it the way the marking guide is going to be prepared, or the way the work is going to be marked, so you'll be able to have a possible maximum mark. So that's the reason why I'm doing this. Okay, now let's look at how it looks. Okay, so this is it. So we have the floor plan. So this is the solution that was made for the floor plan of the 2023 NECO question. Then the marks are given here with the information that that you are required, or what you are required to put in your drawing to get these marks. Okay, so we are starting with this one. My figure 1 says that for drawing to scale 1:100 1 mark. So you must ensure that you draw to the given scale. Very, very important. Make sure you draw to the given scale. That means you have to divide each dimension. When you are working on the plan, you divide each dimension by 100. So then you go on and make use of whatever you obtain after you divide each dimension by 100 to get the thickness, the length, the width, and so on. Okay. Then figure 2 says that for drawing walls, so 7 vertical, 8 horizontal, and total 15 in number. So 3.5 marks. So we have this as a vertical 1, and this is 2. So this is 3. Then here we have this is 4. Okay. Then we have 5, we have 6, then we have 7. So those are the vertical walls. Then for the horizontal walls, we have 8. So this is 1, this is 2. So we have this to be 3. Then here we have 4. So this is 5. This is here we have this to be 6. Then this is 7, and this is 8. So doing that, you have 3.5 marks. Then for drawing beams, so 6 numbers. So we have 3 internal and 3 external. So beams that we have here. So there are 6 in number. We have 1, 2. Okay, so these are the external 1, 2, and 3. The external ones. Then the internal ones, we have 1, 2, 3. So those are the internal ones. So you have to receive 3 marks for that. Then for drawing column, that is 1 column, 1 mark. Where is the column? So we have the column at this point, and the veranda, this is the column here. So for drawing that, so 1 mark is given. And for drawing doors, 11 in number, so we have 10 single and 1 double, 10 single and 1 double. So 10 single and 1 double, so we have 10 doors. So starting from here, I think this one is double door. So this is the single one. So single, 1 double door. So this one, then 10 single doors. 1, we have 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, and 10. So those are the 10 single doors. So for you to do that, so you have to receive 2.5 marks for that. For drawing windows, 13 in number. So 13 in number. So 13 windows, we have 1, 2, 3, and we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then the 13th one, where do we have that? Where do we have that? So there are 13 number. So there are 13 number. So they will be there. Okay. All right. So then the next one we have that for drawing wardrobes. So 3 in number. Wardrobes 3 in number. So 1.5 mark. So wardrobe we have 1. Okay. So this is 1. This is 2, and this is 3. So for drawing that, so you have 1.5 marks for that. For each projection, very, very important, 1 mark. Each projection, this broken line that surround this floor plan is what we call each projection. So you must draw it for you to get mark for this each projection. You must draw it. And then we have that for drawing offset cutting plane, 1 mark. Offset cutting plane, this is the cutting plane BP. So this line that goes like this is what we call cutting plane. So it's an offset cutting plane. So for drawing this, so we have what they have 1 mark. Then for labeling spaces, 11 in number. So 2 marks. Labeling spaces, as we have here, veranda, bedroom, toilet and bath, we have bedroom, we have dining, we have store, we have kitchen. Then here, what is it right here? I can't see it clearly. Okay. Then we have toilet and bath here. We have still room, we have bedroom. So for labeling, so we have 2 marks for that. For labeling the space, we have 2 marks for that. Then for writing floor plan beneath drawing, very, very important. So that is what we have here. So we must write it. So floor plan, make sure you write it when you are done. So you have 1 mark for that. And for neatness and quality of lines work, so 1 mark. So make sure your work is neat and then use the appropriate line. So as we can see here, look at this cutting plane now. So this cutting plane is drawn with thick long chain line. Thick long chain line, you make sure you draw it as thick long chain line. Then for the beam, so for the beam, we use short dashes line for the beam. So make sure you do it like you use short dashes line to draw the beam. So it's very, very important. All these things are as I see them. So if you put your mind in them, you will make sure you will be able to do it right and get the possible maximum marks. So very, very simple. So just follow it the way it is given here. So thank you and keep on practicing. So we meet on that of next part of this marking guide. God bless you.